Hello, guys. Cause I just here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, guys, the past weekend, Benyi Vakashingala Hazyview. So I turned out and went to a funeral. So mang fika lapha funeral, guys, there was this group called Kukhanya Kwetibane. It's a group yabomage who are contributing monthly timali and other things. But for more information, guys, you can follow them on Facebook. But Ukanya Kwetibane. Yo, guys, this woman, labo mage laba, I shem jealous down by yenda indo yabo. It was like a taxi funeral. Then boom again, guys, there was the I Makam. Yo, their cars, their service. Yo ngithandile kakhulu le Kukhanya Kwetibane and I-Makam. They are really doing a great thing in comforting bantu labashonelwe. You know, during that state yokuthi you are heartbroken, but there are people abadokududuza in such a way yokuthi now you feel like usukume dance, guys. It was so wonderful. I really like the group Shem. You guys follow them on Facebook for more information about them. And I-Makam, you can also find them on Facebook. But Niti, 10 out of 10, I-Makam and this woman, a combo, guys.